Okay, I am Huaraca. I am a bird specialist here at Inkaterra Association, and I work in Madre de Dios, Tambapuata. I work doing bird monitoring here. Peru is one of the countries with the highest biodiversity on Earth, and we have over 1,880 species here. And it is because of the diversity of habitats. We have since the mountains, we have the sea, we have the rainforest, and different climate. And we have here around 110 bird endemic species here. The jungle, definitely the jungle. I like to doing bird watching here in Madre de Dios because we could find a lot of birds here. I really like the birds, but if I have to choose one, I would say cotingas, and especially Lanzo de cotinga. It's a medium-sized bird and it has an amazing sky blue colors. What I love from Peru is the diversity of landscapes. I am a nature lover and I really like that. And what makes Peru so special is, I think, is the Inca culture heritage. I think Peru has a perfect combination of nature, culture, and of course, food. And if you are a nature lover, we have a lot of areas to visit here, a lot of natural areas, well-protected areas. If you like culture, we have one of the New World Wonder, which is Machu Picchu, and also it's because the people here, they are very friendly. Also consider to visit the rainforest. If you have never been here before, I think it will change your mind if you visit the rainforest. Well, I hope to see you soon here in Peru, and I can't wait to show you my favorite birding spot. Bye bye.